Bob guy, he likes standing in a corner. Said, I don't need brake fluid.
Hey, dude. All right. I wish I was like you guys and I could just hang out and.
Let's watch the pour on this guy. You got that HAWK brake fluid. Hey, now get your arm out of the way. I'm trying to take a video here. Oh yeah. I only take the best HAWK brake fluid. HP520. I also like the way it smells and tastes.
You gotta test that out. You gotta test it out.
That's how you tell how much water's in your brake fluid, by the taste. Right, Bob?
Yep, by the taste.
Give me a thumbs up, Bob. Chairman Bob approved. You owe me.
Oh!
Owe me.
Oh!
191.38, I think, was the total from
I don't think
Savvy Formal Aware of Maplewood Mall.
I don't owe you.
Dude, you don't even know about the tax, title, license, destination fee. You know, I went and got the thing for you, too. I went and got fitted for you. Dude, this is a hands-off luxury experience. I mean, nobody really could put a price on, but, you know, lucky for you, you got me. I can put a price on it. It's a lot more than $191. Lucky for you.
Yeah.
You need to have this kind of a guy on your team, Bob. You need to have a guy that can.
You're hired.
That can put the dollars to the cents.
That kind of guy, Bob.
The dollars and the cents. Itemize the whole thing for you.
Holy shit.
I think you know, you're kind of a cool Thermotech kind of a dealer there, Bob. You know, and I think I can get a sweet deal. Just pimp my ride, Big Daddy.
You're on crack.
I'm not on crack.
It's not happening.
What's not happening?
I'm not giving you shit.
Well, I mean, I was going to tell you what I took. I mean, I could just take it and walk out, and we could call it good, too. Or I'll come after you later, then, for another form of payment. What? Cool at Thermotech. I don't know what you're talking about. It's all over my car. So,
Ridiculous.
how much did Cummins pay you for that one? Is there a sponsor on the team? No! I can't believe they want to be on such a small arm. I'm not be a Duramax sticker or a Power Stroke thing.
Oh, God.
You know, usually I think the Cummins guy wants some torque, some beef.
Oh, I got the beef, all right.
Yeah. You know a guy, huh?
Oh, fuck.
Oh, that was Mitch. Alright, well, we're getting a lot done.
Got some HAWK Performance racing disc brake pads. Get out of there. See here. Oh, dang. Look how much. Look at that for comparison, huh? Oop, can I do it? Can I do it? I can't do it. Huh. Yeah, those are pretty used up. Excited to see what these brake pads are like. HAWK sent them over. Just really excited. It's supposed to be real manageable. Be able to control lockup, modulate under pressure, and hold up to the heat. Because obviously they get hot.